Happy Friday! I deadass forgot to vlog before I started doing my makeup, but today is the day. I'm going to go see Drake and the MIGOS, the Aubrey, what is it called? Aubrey and the MIGOS tour or whatever. So yeah, I'm getting ready. So sis is baking for the awards, and I'm about to finish up my makeup. So when I get dressed and all that, I will talk to y'all then.
Whoa, excuse me. Believe believe me. Believe me. Because I'm blessing robberies. You can bet on me. Not the same word. 75 same color t-shirt. Mama told me. Not the same word. 75 same color t-shirt. When I say raindrop, y'all say drop top. Raindrop, raindrop, raindrop. Whoa. You know, listen up, yes sir. You know, so we really don't have no home money. When this shit drop, I want you lose your fucking mind. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, hey. Raindrop, drop top. Smoking on cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch shit, nah. Picking up dope in the crock pot. Raindrop, smoking no cooking the hot bar. Fucking your bitch shit, nah. Picking up dope in the crock pot. We ain't nothing to something, nigga. I won't trust nobody gripping. All of them niggas, they coming to change. Grabbing your grip and give you a message. Get up on the spot. Put that thing in spot. Shot it bang, bang. I feel like a bird. Pound it, you a dog. Never been a sport. Pull up, jump in at the Can you still do your job?
For whom y'all just got rich again.
Hey!
Who grips the mic and likes to kill their friends.
Hey!
I've never been that type to make amends.
Hey, if shit was at an 8, we like to win. If shit was at an 8, we like to make it 10. One to send this in, I'm going up all the way. I don't like to talk when there's nothing else left to say. Drizzy by the drop, the game is in disarray. True! What's up? Yeah. Hey. Look, 10 of us, we moving as one. I'm so proud of who I become. You might think I'm taking some lumps. Only if we talking about sums. Intentions are pure. They cannot tell me relax. I wanna hear you tonight. What's up?
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I wanna hear you.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I wanna hear you.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here.
Hey.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here.
Yeah.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I'm off right now, got me talking about my life.
Okay.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now.
Are you going for it left side?
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now.
And I
need you in my life.
I was running through the sex with my heart. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Running through the sex with my heart. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Don't fuck with them niggas, they too irrational. This is that nasty flow. Top boy in this shit.
tell me your favorite song. Don't tell me how you know it would be like this all along the other day. Vodka, passing drugs, we gotta celebrate. I'm in better way, thinking how I wanna hear you. All this happened for myself and my family. All this happened for myself and my family. There's no way that this is real, man, it can't be. That's right. And we a family in here tonight too, by the way. If you need me, you can call me. I stay busy making. You know what? I got enemies, got a lot of enemies. Got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy. Oh, they trying to take away from a nigga. Yeah. Fucking with a kid and pray for you, nigga. I got girls with red light trying to fuck up my day. Fuck going online, that ain't part of my day. I got real shit popping with my family too. I got niggas that can never leave Canada too. I got 2 mortgages, 30 million in total. Niggas that'll still try fucking me over. Rap niggas that I gotta act like I like. But my acting days are over.
Fuck the niggas for life.
That's right. I got enemies, got a lot of enemies. Easy producing, Weezy and Mabel. She held it down so she got her Mercedes. Your money records, the all made it naked. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Say what? What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm living life right now, man. And it's what I'm tell us. It's far from over. Hey, last name ever, first name greatest. I like that. Okay, this that take care of shit. I don't know if you. Alright, look, we gonna go straight to the hook. We gonna go straight to the hook. I wanna hear you sing. You ready? Say it. They know. Say this shit.
They know. Baby, once you come my way,
Goddamn.
got something I want to stay.
Can I give you all my way? But first off,
I say this, hey, everything you take my wish, hey, I won't miss, hey, baby, won't you come my way?
yeah, baby.
My way.
Hey, Brooklyn.
Like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, hey, walk it like I talk it.
Look, I gotta stay in my. Say that we been beefing going. First night she gon' let me fuck when she grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city she home. That was that, so I can't be beefing with no black nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps though. But your shit look like a trap. Oh, that's though. We been brothers since Versace Bando. Name ringing like a big old trap. Hey, used to be with Vashti and Santo. That's no talking Campo. We been in Sopranos. Can't you slow down, slow down. How did you go? I don't gotta run anymore. You can put your phone on your girl and me too. Brooklyn, I need you to sing with me tonight. It's Friday night. Y'all ready?
Like controller, controller.
That's right.
Like controller, controller. If you're down, take it slow. Make you lose
I need a one dance, Hennessy in my hand. One more time, I go. Hey Brooklyn, tell me what the fuck happens next. That's when they smile in my face.
All time they wanna take my place. All time they wanna take my place. All time they wanna take my place.
Yeah, I know they wanna take my. I could tell they love it. I don't trust a word. tryna click up after your mistake. I look you in the face and it's just not the yeah, cause I said I've been gone so long and look.
They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face.
That's right.
Straight up to my face.
And that is why you are forever the untouchable motherfucking Brooklyn, New York City. Make some noise. Hey, Brooklyn, this some shit for y'all to get ratchet to for real. Y'all ready? On my left side. Okay. Hey, everybody get your motherfucking roll up. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last, phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, got it in the attic. With your phone out, sounding like you cable. And you're showing off. You can sing this shit as loud as you can. I'm obsessed. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way with choice, man. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know.
Can't go 50-50 with no hoe.
Every month, I'm supposed to pay your bills, get on what you want. I still got like 7 years of doing what I want. Trying to keep it peaceful and just don't pull up at 6 a.m. Hey, you know how I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, it was different with me. Hey, what?
Wishing on me.
You were the best crowd in the world tonight. Make some motherfucking noise. Everybody that's up top, I want you to turn your phone lights on so I can see everybody that's all in the building one last time. Turn your phone lights on. Everybody in the back, I want you to make some noise for yourself. You were motherfucking incredible tonight. Everybody up front, make some noise for yourself. You were incredible tonight.
A bad vlogger because I didn't even show y'all my outfit before I left the house. I didn't show y'all my hair. Girl, my curls were so cute earlier. It was like really short and really cute. Now they all falling. I had my little pink get up. I got some pictures, so I'm probably gonna insert them here somewhere. But other than that, Vlog Drake featuring MIGOS concert was fucking lit. Like, I had such a good time. It was really lit. It started on time. Well, it was supposed to start at 7. It started at 7:45, but we had just got into the Barclays Center when the MIGOS got on stage, so it was cool. We had some popping ass seats as y'all saw, so I enjoyed myself.